everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you how to make a card with some of the items from the stunning New Horizons suite, which you can find on page 43 of your Spring Mini Catalog. All of the items in this suite retire at the end of June, so if you love them like I do, make sure to place your order soon. First, let's take a look at this gorgeous paper. These tranquil watercolor images were all hand-painted by one of Stampin' Up's talented artists, and each piece is stunning. We are going to start with our beautiful Designer Series paper and build a scene on it. I'm going to start by stamping some grass directly on my DSP with soft succulent ink. These stamps are from On the Horizon stamp set. Next, I'll stamp some birds in the sky. I'm going to add my sentiment, again, directly onto the DSP. The last thing I'm going to stamp is my small piece of white cardstock. I'm going to use Smoky Slate ink and this stamp from On the Horizon that looks like stacked wood or stacked stone. I want my ink to be a bit lighter, so I'm going to stamp off on my scrap paper before I stamp on my cardstock. This is called stamping off or second generation stamping. Now I'm going to do some die cutting. The dies I'm using are very intricate, so I'm going to apply some adhesive sheet to the back before die cutting. This is my special trick for how to apply the adhesive sheets without getting the sticky parts on my fingers. Before I put my machine away, I'm going to use the Timeworn Type embossing folder on this layer of cardstock. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. This piece went on a little crooked, but don't worry, I can use the spatula end of the Take Your Pick tool to remove it and try again. The adhesive sheets make it such a snap to apply these intricate pieces. I'm going to embellish with some Pebbles enamel shapes. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!